And so it begins, this dream against reality, faith far from totality, a heart longing for more than fluffed up morality. Yet still he walks in, this hill uninviting, a reminder each day to never quit fighting. Each crack on the road, each ounce of the load, his daily alarm to what is still owed. Head up, he steps in, with gray all around. He once was lost, but now he is found. The hate once within, a tale of one sin, 'twas once overhead, now new grace built in. And the reason is plain, the death of disdain is due to old bread, now fresh as new gain. Still the bell tolls, people breathing yet dead, starts doubt in his mind, the point of his tread. When veil is still up, and faith is repressed, why church it each week, when love's not expressed? In how you treat, in how you care, why pick and choose, then all out and share? If what you trust's not how you abide, the person you are will be buried inside a false content. I don't mean to resent, but sacred meets civil is what I consent. An employer to deem, a notion deserving, that's more than a theme, but heart cry preserving. A drive that says yes, I'll not only follow, but die to myself and run from the hollow. To love at all costs is to hurt often, still better than praise and surrender and coffin. So burst free and chance this break from the dormant. The value in you is true and important, but it all points up to a place we neglect. The creator of souls, the cause of effect. The maker of heart, the perfecter of ways. Consider your aim and center your days. On seeking the cross, to bridge the divide, we bear at a cost, conserving our pride. And someday we'll get there, despite all the pain, where you and me bask in the joy of his reign. Till then, I press on. The past has no meaning. At least now you get the direction I'm leaning.